Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI. When I travel, it's really important to me that everything I take with me has value and doesn't take up a lot of space. That's why I'm really happy with this set of travel plugs from VINTAR. So these are the type C, which fit most of Europe, and I took them with me on my trip to France. Not only are they compact and you get two for the price, you are able to plug in 4 different items into this one adapter. So obviously it has a traditional plug on the front and a traditional outlet on the top, and then 2 places for USB on the front as well. I also like the fact that the outlet design itself fits a variety of different wall outlets while I was in Europe. So depending on where you're staying, you might have an outlet that's round and set into the wall. No problem for this adapter, it fits perfectly. You might have one that's flat to the wall. Again, no issue. I did not come up with any problem while I was traveling overseas. These adapters fit into every outlet that I came across. I'm really happy with them because they're compact, but they carry a punch because they will allow me to power 4 different items at once. And I really appreciate that because when I'm traveling, especially overseas, I don't have a ton of space in my luggage. So I want something that's gonna really do a lot for me. I'm really happy with this set of adapter plugs. And that is my point of view.